everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 14C from chapter Equation of a Line. So starting with question number 15. Find the equation of the line whose, there are three parts. So first part is x-intercept is equal to 5 and y-intercept is equal to 3. We have to find the equation of the line whose x-intercept and y-intercept is given. X-intercept is nothing but the point where the line cuts x-axis and y-intercept is the point where the line cuts y-axis. So there is a line and it is cutting x-axis and y-axis at certain points. Okay, so this line is cutting x-axis, that is x-intercept is given. X-intercept is nothing but the x coordinate. Okay, x coordinate दिया है. So it is cutting x-axis over here. X coordinate क्या है? 5 है. X-intercept जो भी दिया है that is x coordinate. So it is 5. What will be the y coordinate for this point? It will be 0 because this point is lying on x-axis. Okay, so y coordinate 0 है. Same way y-intercept is given. This line is cutting y-axis over here. So y coordinate is 3. This point is lying on y-axis. So x coordinate क्या हो जाएगा? 0. Okay. So दो points का coordinates पता है. This is the line and 2 points which are lying on the line. उसका coordinates पता है. You can easily find out the equation of the line using 2 points form. Okay, 2 points form में which formula you'll use? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the 2 points form. For that x1 y1 you need. Okay, so कोई भी एक point के coordinates को x1 y1 consider करो, दूसरे को x2 y2, anyone. Okay, so I'm going to consider x intercept as x1 y1 and y intercept as x2 y2. Now x1 y1 तो easy है, m you need, so you need to find out the slope. Slope is again easy, it is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. It's easy. So first we'll find out slope. Then put the values of m and x1 y1 and find out the equation. Solve and find out. Okay, simplify करना पड़ेगा and then find out the equation of the line. So we'll solve now. All right. First write down x-intercept is equal to 5. Write down the given information. For x-intercept, x coordinate will be 5 but y coordinate will be 0. Okay, so for x-intercept, the coordinates of the point are 5, 0, and for y-intercept, the coordinates of the point are 0, 3. You can write down for x-intercept equal to 5, the coordinates of the point are 5, 0 and y-intercept equal to 3, the coordinates of the point are 0, 3. So दो points का coordinates पता है. Okay, we'll find out the slope first. Once we get the slope, it's easy to find the equation of the line. So let 5, 0 be x1 y1 and 0, 3 be x2 y2. So slope क्या हो जाएगा? It will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. y2 है 3, y1 has 0, x2 is 0 and x1 is 5. So it will give 3 minus 0 is 3, 0 minus 5 is minus 5. Minus को numerator में ले लेंगे because we never keep negative sign in denominator. So it will be m equals to minus 3 upon 5. M मिल गया. Now we'll find out the equation of the line using this 2 points form. Okay. So now we have all the information. We can easily find out the equation of the line. So the equation of the line is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So y as it is, y1 क्या है? y1 is 0. M is minus 3 upon 5 into x as it is, x1 है 5. Now y minus 0 will give y equals to minus 3 by 5 into x minus 5. We'll shift 5 on the other side. Okay, 5 को shift कर देते हैं. So 5y is equal to minus 3x plus 15. Minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 3 into minus 5 will give plus 15. Minus into minus plus हो जाएगा. So 3x is negative. Let's shift this over here. Whenever you're getting x negative, it's better that you group x and y together. Okay? ऐसे भी रख सकते हैं. It's correct. It's totally correct. But whenever x is negative, it is better that you shift minus 3x over here. Okay? So 3x positive हो जाएगा plus 5y as it is equals to 15. Okay? So this will be the equation of the line. Box this and you have to write down the final statement. So write down the final statement. The equation full word लिखना है of the line is 3x plus 5y equals to 15. Okay. For second and third part of the question, we'll use the same method. So second part में we are given x intercept is minus 4 and y intercept is 6. We don't need to draw the diagram over here. In fact, diagram is not required at all. That was just for understanding. X intercept minus 4 है. That is x coordinate minus 4 होगा, y coordinate 0. So minus 4 हो जाएगा x coordinate, 0 will be the y coordinate. For y intercept, y coordinate is 6 and x coordinate is 0. Easy, okay? So for x intercept equal to minus 4, the coordinates of the point are minus 4 comma 0, and same way for y intercept equal to 6, the coordinates of the point are 0 comma 6. Okay, now let minus 4 comma 0 be x1 y1 and 0 comma 6 be x2 y2. First thing that we have to do is find the slope. पहले slope find out करेंगे. So it will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2, whatever way you want to follow. y2 है 6, y1 है 0, x2 है 0 and x1 is minus 4. Okay, so be very careful with signs. So we are getting m equals to 6 minus 0 is 6 and 0 minus minus हो जाएगा plus. So 0 plus 4 हो जाएगा. Okay, that is 4. 2 3s are 2 2s are. So m is 3 upon 2. Now we'll find the equation of the line using 2 points form. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Just put the value of m and x1, y1. Okay. We have all the information. Let us find the equation of the line. So the equation of the line is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. It's better that you write down m and x1, y1 before this, okay? So you can easily make the substitutions. You don't need to look for what is x1, y1, what is the value of m, okay? So y minus y1 has 0 and m is 3 by 2 into x minus x1 is minus 4. So put box brackets outside, okay? y minus 0 y हो जाएगा equals to 3 upon 2 into x minus minus plus हो जाएगा, so x plus 4. 2 को शिफ्ट करते हैं, so it becomes 2y equals to 3 into x plus 4. So that will give 2y equals to 3x plus 3 4s are 12. Okay. So 2y is equal to 3x plus 12. We'll keep it as it is. Okay. So keep this as it is only because x is not negative over here. So you can keep it like this only. Or you can just shift 2y over here. So you will get 3x minus 2y plus 12 equal to 0. Just switch the sides, तो हो जाएगा 3x minus 2y plus 12 equal to 0. So you can take this also as the equation of the line, or this is also correct. Final statement लिखना है, the equation of the line is either this or write this. Okay. For third part, x-intercept is minus 8 and y-intercept is minus 4. So for x-intercept we know x coordinate is minus 8, y coordinate is 0, and for y-intercept y coordinate is 4, x coordinate is 0. Okay, so we'll write down the statement. For x-intercept equal to minus 8, the coordinates of the point are minus 8 comma 0, and same way for y-intercept equal to minus 4, the coordinates of the point are 0 comma minus 4. We'll take first one as x1 y1, second one as x2 y2. I'm going to take it that way. Okay, you can take according to your wish. So let minus 8 comma 0 be x1 y1 and 0 comma minus 4 be x2 y2. All right, slope find out करना है पहले. We need the slope. So slope will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. So y2 है minus 4, y1 है 0, x2 is 0 minus x1 is minus 8. So put brackets. Okay. So we are getting m equals to minus 4 minus 0 is minus 4. 0 minus minus हो जाएगा plus 8. So it is minus 4 upon 8. That is 4 1s are 4 2s are. So slope we are getting as minus half. Okay. Now we will find out the equation of the line using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So we'll write down m equals to minus half and x1 y1 is minus 8 comma 0. So m is minus half and x1 y1 is minus 8 comma 0. So the equation of the line is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. सो y एज इट इज, y1 क्या है, y1 है 0, equals to m is minus half into x as it is, x1 is minus 8, so you have to put box brackets outside. ठीक है, y minus 0, so it will be y only, minus half into x, माइनस माइनस हो जाएगा प्लस 8, 2 को शिफ्ट करते हैं, इट विल बिकम 2y equals to minus 1 into x plus 8. So open the brackets, signs will change, minus x minus 8. So x negative है, what will we do over here? Shift x, even the number is negative, so it's better that you write all the terms on one side. पहले x, then y, then number equal to 0. So x को shift करते हैं, it will become plus x, 2y as it is, minus 8 will become plus 8 equal to 0. Even this is correct, students. Okay, this is not wrong. All right, so you can keep this as it is, or this can be the final equation. After this, you have to write down the statement. The equation of the line is x plus 2y plus 8 equal to 0, or 2y is equal to minus x minus 8. Next question, question number 16. Find the equation of the line whose slope is minus 5 upon 6 and x-intercept is 6. You are given the slope, that is m is given to you. It is minus 5 upon 6 and x-intercept दिया है, not y-intercept. अगर y-intercept दिया है, then y-intercept is nothing but c. Okay, तो c का value मिल जाता and then you can use the formula y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, very easy. But over here c is not given, you are given x-intercept. Okay, so x-intercept मतलब x coordinate is 6 and y coordinate is 0, है ना? So you are given the coordinates of one point, है ना? Indirectly you are given. So one point का coordinates, that is let's say that the point is P, उसका coordinates है 6, 0. You know m, that is slope, and one point का coordinates. So which formula, which form to use? Point slope form. Okay, point slope form use करेंगे. And that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. x1 y1 पता है, one will be x1, other will be y1. Okay, and m का value भी पता है. Put the values of m, x1, y1 and find out the equation of the line. It's very easy. Okay, so write down, first write down the given information. Slope, that is m is equal to minus 5 by 6 and x-intercept is equal to 6. So for x-intercept coordinates क्या हो जाएगा? The coordinates of the point are x coordinate 6 होगा and y coordinate 0. Okay, let's consider this as x1 y1. So let x1 y1 be equal to 6, 0. So we are given the coordinates of one point on the line and the slope of the line. So we'll use point slope form. Okay, so the equation of the line I have not written over here equation of the line using point slope form, and even in previous question I did not write to using 2 points form. You can just add it over here. Okay, so equation of the line is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So y as it is, y1 क्या है, 0 है, m is minus 5 upon 6 and x as it is x1 है 6, y minus 0 is y equals to minus 5 upon 6 into x minus 6. 6 को shift करते हैं, it will become 6y, okay, equals to minus 5 into x minus 6. So we'll get 6y is equal to minus 5x minus into minus plus 5 6 are 30. 5x negative है, so it's better that we shift it on the other side, positive हो जाएगा. You can keep this as it is also, it's not wrong, okay students, it is correct, but we'll shift it on the other side. So 5x positive हो जाएगा plus 6y and 30 as it is on the other side. Had the number been negative तो हम लोग shift कर देते, but the number is positive, so let's keep it as it is only. सिर्फ x वाला term shift किया है, okay. So box this and write down the final statement. The equation of the line is 5x plus 6y equal to 30. Moving on to next question, question number 17. Find the equation of the line with x-intercept 5 and a point on it minus 3, 2. We have to find the equation of the line and x-intercept is 5. That is, it is cutting x-axis at x-intercept 5 hai means x-coordinate is 5 and y-coordinate is 0. Okay. So it is cutting x-axis at 5, 0. है ना? So one point का coordinates दिया है which is lying on the line and a point on it is minus 3, 2. So here you are given the coordinates of the 2 points, okay, which are lying on the line. So एक line है and there is a point on it minus 3, 2, okay, and it is cutting x-axis at 5, that is nothing but 5, 0. So 2 points का coordinates दिया हुआ है. So which form you will use? 2 points form, है ना? For 2 points form, first thing that you have to do is find the slope. पहले slope find out करना पड़ेगा, then you will get the equation. So slope कैसे find out करेंगे? Using the formula m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. Slope मिल जाएगा. Then equation y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Either of the two you will consider x1 y1 and another one as x2 y2. So I'll consider this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. You can take according to your choice. So x1 y1 पता है, okay? x1 y1 पता है. m मिल जाएगा using this formula. So put the values of x1, y1 and m, you will get the equation of the line. Okay, you just have to solve further, but solve करने पे you will get the equation of the line. All right. So let us solve now. So first thing that we'll do is write down the given information and add a few statements. So for the line, we are given that x-intercept is 5. So write that down. Since x-intercept is 5, the coordinates will be 5, 0. X-intercept means x-coordinate हो जाएगा. And y-intercept मतलब y-coordinate हो जाएगा. So x-intercept में x-coordinate will be 5 and y-coordinate will be 0 because x-axis पे point lie कर रहा है. Okay. So this will be the coordinates of that point. And there is another point minus 3, 2 which is lying on that line. So you will write down the statement, the point minus 3, 2 lies on the same line. We will just name the points as x1, y1, x2, y2. So I have taken 5, 0 as x1, y1 and minus 3, 2 as x2, y2. Okay. Since we got x1, y1 and x2, y2, we'll find out the slope first. पहले slope find out करना है and then we'll find out the equation of the line using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So m चाहिए हम लोग को, slope चाहिए. So m is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2 क्या है? 2. y1 is 0. x2 is minus 3 and x1 is 5. So 2 minus 0 is 2 and and -3 -5 दोनों नेगेटिव है, so add it 3 + 5 8 and put negative sign. 2 1s are 2 4s are, so we are getting 1 upon -4. We never keep negative sign in denominator, bring it in numerator. I'm shifting it over here only. m का वैल्यू मिल गया. Now we'll find out the equation of the line. The equation of the line, since 2 points का coordinates दिया हुआ है, using 2 points form. Okay, it is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. y as it is, y1 क्या है, y1 is 0, sorry 0 है, m minus 1 upon 4 है, x as it is, x1 is 5. Okay, so be very careful while putting the values. If you make mistake, then your equation is going wrong. y minus 0 y हो जाएगा, minus 1 into x minus 5 upon 4 है, sorry. Now we'll shift the 4 on the other side. 4 को shift करते हैं तो 4y हो जाएगा equals to minus, यहाँ पे brackets open करते हैं, so minus 1 into x minus x, minus 1 into minus 5, minus minus plus 1 into 5 5. Shifting x on the other side because it is negative, so x को shift करते हैं on the other side, so x plus 4y equals to 5. This is also correct form, it's not wrong. Okay, ये भी correct है, ये भी correct है. 5 we kept on the other side because it is positive, so we did not shift it on the other side. Okay, x को सिर्फ shift किया because it was negative. So this will be the equation of the line, or you can consider this as the equation of the line. Okay, after this you have to write down the final statement, box this and put the final statement. The equation of the line is x plus 4y equals to 5. Also students, before finding the equation of the line, before this statement, it's better that you write down m and x1 y1. Okay, so that you don't make mistake. Okay, so it's better that you write it down. Even if you consider x2 y2 by mistake, equation तो correct ही आने वाला है. It's not going to go wrong because both the points are lying on the line, so it has to satisfy the equation. But over here we are going to consider x1 y1, so formula में x1 y1 है, इसलिए it's better that you write down over here. Okay, m and x1 y1 हमेशा पहले लिख लो. So don't forget the final statement. Let's solve the next question, question number 18. Find the equation of the line through 1, 3 and making an intercept of 5 on the y-axis. We have to find the equation of the line, and the line passes through 1, 3. So there is a line which is passing through some point 1, 3. That is, this point is lying on the line. Indirectly that information is given. Okay, this point is lying on the line. Okay. And making an intercept of 5 on the y-axis. This line is cutting y-axis. Okay, making an intercept matlab cutting y-axis. So it is cutting or meeting y-axis at 5. It is making an intercept of 5. That is, y-intercept is 5. Because it is told an intercept of 5 on y-axis. So y-intercept is 5. y-intercept 5 है मतलब y-coordinate 5 है. It is cutting over here. y-coordinate 5 है. x-coordinate क्या होगा? This point is lying on y-axis, so x-coordinate will be 0. So indirectly you are given the coordinates of 2 points on the line. We'll use 2 points form. For 2 points form, which formula do we use? है ना? ये formula use करेंगे. For this x1 y1 चाहिए, so consider one of the points as x1 y1 and other as x2 y2. x1 y1 पता है, m find out करना पड़ेगा. So first thing that you have to do is find m, that is slope. What is slope का formula? If you are given 2 points का coordinate, slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. Find out m. Once you get m, just put the values of x1, y1 and m. You will get the equation of the line. Okay. So let us solve now. So first thing that we have to do is write down a few statements. For the line 1, 3 lies on it. Okay, so write this down. Y-intercept is 5. So for y-intercept 5, what will be the coordinates? Y coordinate will be 5 and x coordinate will be 0. So 0, 5 are the coordinates. x1, y1 we have taken as 1, 3 and x2, y2 as 0, 5. Okay. First thing that we'll do is find the slope. So slope, that is m, find out karna hai. It is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. y2 है 5, y1 है 3, x2 है 0 and x1 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2 and 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So we never keep minus sign in denominator, bring it in numerator. So minus 2 upon 1 is nothing but minus 2. So m का value मिल गया. Now we need to find out the equation of the line. So the equation of the line is, don't use short form, you have to write down full word. Okay, the equation of the line is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 3. Again, I did not write down over here. It's better that you write down the information. M is minus 2 and x1 y1 is 1, 3. So now it's easy to refer. Okay, y1 is 3 and m क्या है, minus 2 है. x minus x1 is 1. Y minus 3 equals to, open the brackets, minus 2x, minus into minus plus, 2 1s are 2. Minus 2x है, it is negative term, so let's shift it on the other side, positive हो जाएगा. 2x positive हो गया, y as it is, it's already positive. Minus 3 will shift over here, so it will become plus 3, 2 as it is. 2x plus y is equal to 5. Okay, we'll not shift 5 because already positive है, we'll not shift it, as it is ही रखते हैं. So 2x plus y equals to 5 is the equation of the line. Box करो and write on the final statement, the equation of the line is 2x plus y equal to 5. Students, there is one more method which you can use. यहाँ पे हम लोग ने m find किया, यहाँ तक you'll use this only, same format है. Once you get m, it is given to you that y-intercept is 5. यहाँ पे दिया है y-intercept is 5. We wrote it also. That is c is equal to 5. Once you get m, you already know c. So you can use the other form of the equation. है ना? You can use slope intercept form. Slope intercept form भी use कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. So m is minus 2 and y-intercept is nothing but c. So c is 5. It is told over here. m पता है, c पता है. The equation of the line will be y equals to mx plus c. So y as it is, m क्या है, minus 2 है, x plus c is 5. Just shift over here, 2x plus y is equal to 5. Okay, so this is an easier way. Okay, so once you get the slope, पहले तो slope चाहिए, without slope you cannot find out the equation of the line. So first thing that you have to do is find out the slope. And y-intercept दिया है, x-intercept दिया होता तो we cannot use this formula. But since y-intercept is given, y-intercept is c, therefore we can use this. So this is also one form that you can use. Okay, after this just add the statement. Okay, let's read the next question, question number 19. Find the equations of the lines passing through point minus 2, 0 and equally inclined to the coordinate axis. We have to find the equation of the lines. How many lines? There are 2 lines. Equally inclined to the coordinate axis. Whenever you read this, equally inclined to the coordinate axis, it means there are 2 lines. 2 lines है. Okay. and equally inclined means they are making an angle of 45 degrees with both the axes. Okay, that is why they are called equally inclined. Uska inclination, that is theta, angle is same with both the axes. Okay, so I'll just draw the diagram to make it easy to understand. Okay, so keep in mind equally inclined lines बोला है, दो lines है. Okay, we have to find the equations of these lines. So the equations of the lines passing through the point minus 2 comma 0. There is a point minus 2 comma 0 through which these two lines are passing. Now minus 2 comma 0 बोला है, so this point will be lying on x axis because y coordinate 0 है, and negative x axis होगा, है ना, because minus 2 है. Now there are two lines which are passing through this point and they are making an angle of 45 degrees each. एक लाइन है जो ऐसे जा रहा है. Okay, let's number it as 1. Okay, so it will be easy to understand. So first line का inclination will be 45 degrees. Will it be positive or negative? X axis से हमेशा start करते हैं. If you are going from X axis to the line, ये line है, so X axis to the line, you are going anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise is always positive. So anti-clockwise जा रहे हैं, so it is positive, है ना, plus 45 degrees है. There is other line which is again making 45 degrees, but it is like this. Okay, negative 45 हो जाएगा. So there is another line which is passing through the same point, and if you measure from x axis से measure करेंगे, then it is clockwise, so it is minus 45. Clockwise मतलब negative, anti-clockwise मतलब positive. Okay, so this is positive, this is negative. Always remember equally inclined बोला है, एक x हो रहा है, एक x फॉर्म हो रहा है. ओके, दोनों का एंगल 45 है, एक पॉजिटिव है, एक नेगेटिव है. ओके, सो लेट्स नंबर दिस एज सेकेंड. वी हैव टू फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ दीज टू लाइन्स. बहुत ईजी है. फर्स्ट लाइन के लिए थीटा इज 45 डिग्रीज, थीटा 45 है. सो फॉर फर्स्ट लाइन थीटा इज 45. थीटा दिया है तो स्लोप फाइंड करना इज वेरी इजी. स्लोप इज tan थीटा, दैट इज tan 45 हो जाएगा. tan 45 इज 1. नाउ स्लोप इजिली मिल जाएगा फॉर इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन. वी नीड स्लोप, है ना. व्हाट एल्स इज गिवन? दिस लाइन इज पासिंग थ्रू minus 2 comma 0. इट इज पासिंग थ्रू दिस पॉइंट, सो पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट्स दिया है. Okay, coordinates are given. So x1 y1 दिया है, it is minus 2 comma 0. You know m, you know x1 y1. Which form? It is point slope form, है ना. point slope form use करेंगे यहाँ पे, और slope point form, whatever you call it. slope पता है, एक point का coordinates पता है, so we'll be using that form. It is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Equation easily मिल जाएगा. Put the values of x1, y1 and m. You'll get the equation. Solve for the equation मिल जाएगा. Same way for the second line. For the second line, theta is minus 45. So it will be tan of minus theta. Okay, that is minus 45 हो जाएगा. Okay. That is theta is basically negative. Okay, theta ही negative है, so you can say tan theta, that is theta is minus 45. जब भी negative sign होगा उसको बाहर निकाल लो, so it will be minus tan 45, that is minus 1. So slope you will get as minus 1. Okay, so slope मिल जाएगा. x1 y1 same है because this line is also passing through that same point. Both the lines are passing through that same point. So point का coordinates भी पता है. You know slope, you know point का coordinates. Use this formula and find out the equation of the line. Now these lines are equally inclined with both the axes. So first line, it is making 45 degrees with x axis. यही लाइन जब y एक्सिस को मीट कर रहा है, y एक्सिस से लाइन पे जाएंगे तो दिस इज ऑल्सो 45 डिग्रीज. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी 45 डिग्रीज. सेम वे फॉर द सेकेंड लाइन, x एक्सिस से 45 है, तो व्हेन इट इज मीटिंग y एक्सिस से भी 45 डिग्रीज होगा. दैट इज व्हाई दे आर कॉल्ड इक्वली इंक्लाइंड लाइन्स. ओके, सो बिकॉज दे आर मेकिंग equal inclination, that is equal angle form हो रहा है with both the axes. Okay, so this will be the diagram. Draw the diagram for your reference. It will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so we'll be using point slope form, okay, or slope point form, whatever you call it. So वो ही use करेंगे. Slope easily मिल जाएगा using theta, and one point का coordinates दिया हुआ है. We'll be using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So let's solve now. So there are a few statements to be written, but before that draw the diagram. ठीक है, draw कर लो and then start with the statements. We are told that there are two equally inclined lines which are passing through a common point, that is minus 2 comma 0. So that will be the first statement. Okay, let's name the point as x1 y1. So x1 y1 is minus 2 comma 0. We'll need this x1 y1 for the equation of the line. Okay, so that is why we have considered it as x1 y1. Now first line का equation पहले find out करते हैं. So I've considered this as first line. First line का inclination क्या है? positive 45 है ना. Theta is positive 45 because it is going anti-clockwise. So theta is 45 degrees. Okay. Slope easily मिल जाएगा. First we need the slope for the line है ना. So slope will be tan theta. That is, it will be tan 45. What is tan 45? 1. M मिल गया. So for the line, we know m is 1 and x1 y1 is minus 2 comma 0 because it is passing through the point, therefore this point is lying on the line. है ना? Therefore minus 2 comma 0 is lying on that line. So equation of the line will be don't use short form, write down full words. ठीक है, y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. y as it is, y1 क्या है? 0 equals to m is 1 and x minus x1 is minus 2. So put box brackets outside. y minus 0 y हो जाएगा equals to 1 into x minus minus plus. So 1 into x plus 2 gives x plus 2 only. Okay. X वाला term is positive over here, so we'll not shift, we'll keep it as it is. So this will be the final equation, that is y is equal to x plus 2. This is the equation of first line. ये मिल गया. ओके, सेकेंड लाइन का फाइंड आउट करना है. सेम वे, ओके, सेम वे सॉल्व करना है. फॉर द सेकेंड लाइन द इंक्लिनेशन इज नेगेटिव. ओके, थीटा विल बी नेगेटिव बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग क्लॉकवाइज. सो क्लॉकवाइज द एंगल इज नेगेटिव, सो इट विल बी minus 45. ओके, once you get the equation of the first line, write down the details of the second line. So for the second line, theta is minus 45. Okay, so write this down. We can easily find out the slope. Slope will be tan theta, so it will be tan minus 45. Take minus outside, so it will be minus tan 45, and tan 45 क्या होता है? 1, so it will be minus 1. So after this there will be a solution, that is minus 1 on the next line. Okay, not on the same line. For the line m is minus 1, not 1 but minus 1 because theta is negative. ठीक है, x1 y1 same because it is passing through the same point. So this point is lying on first line also and second line also. दोनों पे lie कर रहा है ये. Okay, so x1 y1 is minus 2 comma 0. Equation of the line, same formula. Put the values of x1 y1 and m. y1 है 0, m है -1, and x1 is minus 2. So y minus 0 is y, minus 1 into x minus minus plus हो जाएगा. So that gives minus x minus 2 because you are multiplying by minus 1. So minus 1 into x, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Okay, signs will change. Since x is negative and 2 is also negative, दोनों को shift कर देते हैं, ठीक है. So x positive हो जाएगा, y as it is and 2 be positive, equal to 0. First always write the x wala term, then y, and then the number equal to 0. Okay, so whenever you're shifting on the other side, when you're shifting all the terms on in the LHS, what you will do is x पहले लिखो, then y, and then the number equal to 0. Okay, so this is the equation of the second line. Box it. After you box this, write down the final statement. The equation of the first line is so and so, and equation of second line is so and so. Okay, so don't forget to write down the final statement.